Guys, how do you feel the washing machine okay? I had E40 because I was searching something with my mom and I do something bad. It throws something in the machine and it shows error 40. So maybe we can someone's build another house doing washing machine. So we're gonna try other machine to wash the shirts or t-shirts or every the shirt or t-shirts are dirty. So okay. So thanks for watching. So never mind. I'm just kidding. That's because look, I was trying to do it again. I was doing again that it is going to be error 40 again. I don't know, but why is that happening to my mom? That's a mistake. So thanks for watching. Bye.